Good morning, everyone. I'm Priyanka Bhargav. Today we're going to revise further chapter number 16, and today we're going to revise the topic soil conservation and the steps taken by the government to stop or lessen the soil erosion. So let's begin with it.
The soil conservation. Soil conservation means that we have to conserve the soil from soil erosion. As the soil erosion degrades the quality of the soil, or we can say fertility of the soil. So the government of the many countries had took several steps to control the soil erosion. Now what are these? The counter plowing. What is counter plowing? That the fields are plowed or harrowed, and the seeds are sown along the natural counters of the hills. This type of practice is being done in the hill slopes, on the hill slopes. Okay, and the original counters means the original corners of the hills are being developed in such a manner that in on those counters the seeds are sown over there, so that the water can come slowly, and then the water can be soaked down in the ground, and it stands in a level furrows. Level furrows means a line in a field that is made for planting seeds. So उन काउंटोज में फरोज बनाए जाते हैं, and there the seeds are sown, and when the water falls down from there, so it helps the water to soaked into the ground. Next is terracing. Now, what is terracing? A series of white steps. White steps are created along the slope. Steps means like your staircase. So that shape is created in the along the slope following the contours. जो नेचुरल स्टेप्स होते हैं उन्हीं को फॉलो करते हुए आर्टिफिशियल स्टेप्स बनाए जाते हैं, एंड देयर द राइस कल्टिवेशन इज प्रैक्टिस्ड. Okay, so that because the water flows decreases with each and every step. Strip cropping, cover crops such as grasses and small grains are planted alternative with the cultivated crops. Means the alternatively cultivated along with the cultivated crops, small grasses or small grains are being also planted, so that these crops can cover the cultivated crop and observe the moisture and hold the soil with their roots. Then plugging of gullies. Gullies are the small gullies, like we can say small drains. Okay, in which what happens that they plugging of gullies done by building stone dams or fixing wire netting or planting trees across gully to check the flood water. छोटी छोटा they make small drains, and around them they make a building of a stone like a dam structure, so that the flow of the water can be checked and the plants are planted across the gullies. Then planting of shelter belts. This is adopted in case of wind erosion, जहाँ पे wind erosion ज़्यादा होता है. So there belts of trees and shrubs are planted. So along the like a border, they create the border of the trees and the shrubs, so that the velocity means the speed of the wind can be checked, and the soil can be the movement of the soil can be stopped, because the roots of the plants and the trees hold the soil tightly. Now cover planting or cropping. Now where this practice done, where the plantation is being done, plantations where the plantation is done of the cash crops like your tea, coffee. Okay, so what happens over there, the along with these crops small plants are also planted, so that uh, the soil erosion can be controlled and the soil erosion can be checked. Okay, Then fallowing, used by land to rest or lie fallow so that the natural force can act on the soil. For a certain period of time, that particular land was remain is remain vacant, so that the natural calamities, the natural processes can add, okay, can add the minerals in the soil and maintain the fertility, or might be it is damaged due to the soil erosion, so it can be processed again. Then we have the crop rotation. Crop rotation, different types of crops are grown on the same land. Like today, like this harvesting season, I had grown wheat. Another harvesting season, I had grown sugar cane, might be, or some other crop. Why? So that different crops use different types of minerals from the soil. If we're going to use only one particular type of if we're going to grow one particular type of crop, then the particular mineral will be exhausted from the soil and the fertility will be damaged. Then we have water management, regulating the amount of water in the soil. Aeration can be improved and crop yields can be increased. Water management, किसी लैंड पे वाटर सॉरी on a piece of a land, the soil is watered properly so that the aridness, aeration means arid hota hai where there are very much less chances that the field can be used for agriculture. So by regulating the amount of water in that particular area or in the soil can also increase the yields. Okay, yields mean वहाँ पे chances increase हो सकते हैं. Then the soil classification, there are two types of soils, pediphiles and the pedicels. Pediphiles found in the humid climate, they are in ash grey color and found in coniferous forest, having cold winters, short cool summers and moderate rainfall. They are also good for dairy farming and mixed farming. Pedicels found in sub-arid and sub-humid zones, rich in minerals, developed in grasslands. So both these types of soils are found in different areas, and one is rich in mineral and another one is very much good for dairy farming. So this is the revision. Here the revision of chapter number 16 ends, students. And for today's classwork, I am giving you one more in-text question, and I will be also giving the answers of the yesterday's classwork and homework. Please go through it, cross check your answers, and if you find any problem, please do ask me and read the chapter again. Thank you.